So transparency in general is very important because it helps reduce information asymmetries, and that ultimately enables people to make more informed decisions. So in BO2, we're looking at the levels of transparency for private firms. And if you think of product markets, then you have publicly listed firms that are major players in across industries and markets, and they are legally obliged to disclose information. And then you have private firms, and usually this part is also much bigger across countries, across industries. The fraction of firms that are private firms is much larger, and they are less obliged to disclose any information. So there we have this something like the streetlight effect. If you have, for example, analysts, financial analysts that use information, current information that they see to predict future firm performance, for instance, of these public firms, then they can only base their predictions on a small part of the market. So you have this streetlight effect where the drunk guy is looking for his keys that he lost in the night, but he only looks underneath the streetlight because that's where he can see, yes. And so we're actually first, before we can find a solution as a society, we have to find out whether this problem is actually true, right? So our research contributes to examining empirically whether this holds. So whether analysts as users of information are making less or more accurate predictions for public firms when private firms are important and so are a large part of the industry and have varying levels of transparency. So we're trying to find out about that. Maybe there is no impact and the analysts are actually able to predict it properly with the small sample that they have given. Maybe the key is underneath the streetlight.